Hey everybody, what is up? Today we are doing the Target haul. You spoke, you guys wanted to see this, so I thought I would do a Target haul. I rarely shop brand new at any stores. It's very rare for me. If I do, it's usually because it's something that I need and I've wanted for a while. Target is this little like sweet spot in my heart, and I find that every time I go there, they just nail what my brain wants and what I want to buy. If you are family, don't watch this video. Click off right now, giving you a warning, because when am I posting this video? Let me see. Christmas is literally in like 2 days. You can come back and watch this video in like 2 days, okay? So click off for now. Love ya. Thanks for support. Let me just get out of the way first. I bought Oatly from Target. You can't get Oatly like anywhere in Canada that I know of, like in the cartons. I think you can get it in like some cafes and things like that. Oatly I found when I was in Iceland. 100% vegan chocolate milk. It's the best chocolate milk that I have found thus far. This one's really thin and smooth like chocolate milk would be. I bought 3 cartons of this. It's amazing. No dairy, no nuts, no gluten. It's just real good. As you guys might know, we used to have Target in Canada. Target came to Canada. It got like bankrupt or something, and it was never as good. We never had all the same things. The prices weren't as good. It was just not what Target is in America. I'm gonna start off with something super boring. I bought a pair of long johns. I'm gonna be doing like a winter styling video, I think, for you guys. This is my savior in the winter. So I just picked up a white pair. I picked up this blanket. It's by Ulta Haul, and then on the inside there's probably dog hair on it because Girlie's been sleeping with it. It's really soft on this side, and then on the other side it's like this Sherpa. And you know how blankets like this usually have that really terrible feeling of it sticks to all your dry skin? You know that feeling that these blankets usually have? This is not like that. And it was like 30 bucks, and this thing is like literally massive. Like you can see it's like folded up. It's huge. Girlie loves to sleep on this. I have it sometimes like on my bed, sometimes sitting on the dog bed, wherever she wants to lay her precious head. She's sleeping on my bed right now. I'm gonna go tuck her in. Un momento. Now I did get 2 plastic Target bags because I wanted to take a thumbnail with it. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I know, shame on me, but I will reuse them. I got these for Jordan's mom for her stockings. She really likes peanuts, so I got this in the little like section when you first come in. I picked up this as well for my mom. So this is a garland actually, and it's cactus llama. My mom loves succulents, cactus, cacti, and llamas. She really loves the llamas. I'm just getting kind of all the more so stuff that isn't for me out of the way first. Apparently, I just got this for my dad's stocking, just like Twix chocolate bars in a candy cane, you know. This is something I also got that I just want to talk about. I wasn't going to feature this in the video, but I thought since I bought it, we should. I ended up buying these sheets. They were a 3-piece duvet set, linen cotton blend. I have linen cotton blend sheets from like Urban Outfitters, and I also have just like straight up linen sheets. So I obviously knew the quality wasn't going to be as amazing as straight linen sheets, but these are the most scratchy crap ever, so I just wouldn't buy these. This is by Threshold. They've been washed, I want to say like 6 times, and they are still so scratchy, and I just do not recommend buying these sheets. These were on Jordan's sister's Christmas list, so we got these for her stocking. Some Garnier for her stocking as well. This is a jar of matches. So Jordan, my fiance, loves to light a candle. He's a candle man, so I thought this would be really cool. 120 matches in this guy. I'm gonna put this in his stocking, and then you can just swipe the match on the back of it. Next up, I bought this guy. I thought we didn't have this in Canada, but we do. This is just the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Soap. This is hemp citrus. I wash my beauty blender every single day, and I use the peppermint Dr. Bronner's soap. I didn't have like a travel version, so when I was traveling, I was just washing my beauty blender with like the soap that would be at like hotels and stuff, and it never worked as well, so I'm glad I have a travel one. By the way, I'm also going to haul a couple things from Ulta at the end of this. I know it's a Target haul video, but I didn't really know where to haul those, and I went to Ulta while I was in the States as well. I got these socks. They are Chanel, so soft. I just thought this would be so cute, layering under like thermal underwear in the winter. I'm all about the layering in the winter. On a big sock craze right now. Like I asked for socks for Christmas. I just really love socks right now. I still like pink, just in small doses. I picked up this guy. He's an ornament I picked him up from my tree. He looks really vintage and I think that's why I really liked him. He has lost his little string somewhere in the midst of that bag, but that's okay because I'd probably put jute around him anyways. It looks so cute and so vintage. Target didn't have like too many Christmas decor things that I liked, but I did really like this guy. This is like the really like miscellaneous bag for other people. Like all of the stuff on the floor is kind of for me. I got these candles for Jordan's mom because their living room is like blue white and I just thought that these would look really cute in it. I don't know if this one she'll like so much, but I knew she liked like the scent of cotton and this one was cotton. I think she'll really like this one. This one's just like a florally scent. So Target right now has so much of this like faux fur Sherpa kind of material and I friggin' love it. And this is a sunglass holder. You can see there, you just slip your sunglasses in. This is so me. It was $10. It's gonna look so cute. I'm just gonna keep it in my car. I really, really needed this and this couldn't have been more Tasha in a sunglass case if I wanted it to be. So very happy with this. Very happy that I'm finally doing this haul and I can friggin' use this. Next up, I bought a couple vases. Is it vase or vase? This is the most beautiful vase I've ever seen in my life. I've already been styling it. It's already been in my bedroom. I love this. It was $17.99. I'm like really big on thrifting things like this because it's very thriftable, but I just couldn't not get this. I love it so much. They have like a small circle one. They have like a bigger one. This is really, really echoey. They have a bunch of different sizes, so I have to like show you it with there. See, with the light off of it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Something that's been on my thrift list for, I want to say 3 months is a terracotta vase, and I haven't been able to thrift one. I just haven't seen any anywhere. I mean, I've seen a couple, but like definitely not what I wanted, not my style. When I walked into Target and saw this, I could have screamed, and then I saw how much it was. $4.48. It was on clearance. I couldn't be happier. I don't have a place for this. I was thinking about replacing that vase in the back there, but I think the white looks nice. So this guy has to still find a home, but now I can finally tick off the terracotta vase off my wish list. $4.48. Are you joking? Are you joking? Here is something that you guys would have seen if you guys watch my day in the lives. Thank you. You guys would have seen this in a day in the life with me video. So this is a glass decanter. He was $9.99. This is like a pretty heavy ball, so it kind of like closes it off. I think I might use this for just water in the fridge, but I haven't decided. It also is like a very beautiful like little decor item, which you could put liquor in it because it is a decanter. We have to find you a home. Do you guys remember when I did the thrifted storage solutions video and I found all of those brown glass containers? I pretty much said in the video that I wanted to find a lot bigger ones for things like flour, for things like salt, and a lot of you guys told me that Target actually carried them. They had like medium, big, and this is like the small one. They had all these different sizes of them, and then I kind of said, why do I want everything to be in the same container? Like, wouldn't I want to have like, you know, all the small ones in the same size and then have a couple of the bigger ones in like really cool thrifted containers, right? But like these were so cheap. Okay, this is not the price, but I believe he was like $4, like not anything more than that. And so I couldn't let this guy go. I think I'm probably gonna use them in the bathroom for like cotton pads or something. I was like, you know what? I'll just get one. I'll find a use for it. He's so affordable. The next thing that I got was this scarf. If this isn't my color palette, like I don't know what is. So scarf looks like this. It's very, very big. It's very, very cozy, very, very long. It's so warm. You know what? I'm all about being warm. This winter, I don't know, last year I was just like, no, let's be cute. This year I'm like, I'm gonna be cute and I'm gonna be warm. In the dollar section at Target, they had a bunch of these craft paper, so these are just envelopes and cards, and I send out a lot of giveaways to you guys, and I like to send in my giveaways little cards that just say, you know, thank you for supporting me, like I appreciate it. I just couldn't pass this up. There's 8 cards, 8 envelopes in each one, and these were $1 each, so I just needed to have these. I have seen these styled on quite a few people's Instagrams, and I was debating for so long whether or not I should get them or not. I don't know why I debated it. They are stunning. So these are just candle holders. I got 2. I was debating 3. I don't know if maybe I should have got 3. Maybe I should have. I got them in 2 separate sizes because I want to put them on the dining room table kind of like staggered like this. A bunch of greenery around them. These are stunning. So the smaller one was $14.99 and the larger one was $16.99. Doesn't that just look so nice just sitting there? Yes. Next, I also got Jordan's mom this Peanuts 6-color pen and stamper. So there's a bunch of different pen colors in it and a stamper on the top. So that's for her stocking. I should put that in the Christmas bag because I bought this stuff like quite a while ago. Opening this, I'm like, ooh, what's this? What's this? I got some more tape because still not done wrapping presents. I don't know how practical these are. These are mules, and they again are that kind of Sherpa material that I love. Number one, I'm a 10 in these. I am a size 8.5, so these are really, really poorly sized. They were $24.99, but I just don't understand like where you're wearing these to. If you're wearing them in the summer, they're still gonna get so dirty no matter where you wear them. And then you're not gonna wear them in the winter, obviously, because it's too cold. So what I'm gonna use these for is house shoes. The last bag is the bag I am most excited for because there's some Christmas decor in it. So at Target right now in the Christmas section, they have these guys. This one was $3. They're just these beautiful houses and you can put a candle in them and light them up. I actually got 2 of these. Sitting next to them, they had some of these guys, and I wanted to create some sort of village on my desk, something to make it a little more Christmassy for the holidays. Hearth and Hand, they have some houses that look like this. They also have white ones that very much mimic these, but they're much more expensive. So if you wanted to get the white houses, I would suggest getting these ones in the Christmas section. But I did like this Hearth and Hand one. So he's just like a little house trinket box that opens. And I want to get a little bit of fake snow and put it on my desk as well, kind of where this mirror is. Jordan and I got some Jolly Rancher candy canes because we are children. And the last thing, my loves, from Target that I got was this guy. Last year we got an ornament from Target that said 2017, so this year we got a 2018. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the puppies photo in this or a picture of Jordan and I in this, but I thought this was very my decor style, so we might as well get the 2018 one. I lied, it's not the last thing. Okay, I gotta get this really carefully, so bear with me. You guys would have seen in my video showing my Christmas decor, but I'll show it again in this video. I got this Christmas tree from Target. He was $10. So he's just made of wood. It didn't come with the lights. I put the fairy lights on it, but like I said, it was $10. It was such a good price. And this is how I settle for having a Christmas tree in my office, because I spent so much time in here and I wanted to have a little bit more holiday decor in this space. So this guy was $10. If you guys have small apartments, this would be such a great little thing to have. It's funny because I have this like little note here. It says Xmas tree on the wall because I knew I was gonna forget to haul that, and I almost did. Let me just quickly do a little mini Ulta haul. I picked up this rosebud salve. I saw a girl on my trip to France. She was putting this on her lips and her lips looked amazing. Obviously I'm not blessed with her nice juicy lips, but I thought I would just try wearing this sometimes. I also decided to get a Kylie Velvet liquid lipstick just because Kylie had one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas for so long, but then I ended up finding things like Fenty Beauty, which has like the most amazing formula. This is called Commando. Again, it's a velvet liquid lip. I mean, it looks like what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So yeah, I'm excited to try her velvet ones because I haven't tried those yet. I got the Jaclyn Hill palette in Armed and Gorgeous. I will say that in the Vault collection, none of the other ones really caught my eye, but this one, truly, I was like, if I do not own that. This is absolutely stunning. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to play with this palette. I feel like I'm gonna probably end up wearing this guy like every day, like especially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like those colors. This might become my new everyday palette, I'm not sure. That is pretty much everything I have to haul. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching today's video. Next week you guys are going to be getting 2 videos from me. You are going to be getting a video on Christmas, which is going to be my best thrift finds of 2018. You will also be getting a video on Boxing Day. That's pretty much it for me. That's all I gotta say. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm so excited to go and decorate. I love you guys so much, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!